Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now you can look for blue auto rotate shortcut or gray portrait or landscape one. When you find one of them, just click on it. As you can see, my auto rotate shortcut turned into landscape. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always switch it on by clicking on gray tile again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!